Are you ready to learn Spanish words related to meals like breakfast, lunch, and dinner? Let's get started. Hi, I'm Jessica from Learning with Jessica Diaz, and today's lesson is related to meals. We're going to learn the words for breakfast, lunch, afternoon snack, dinner, and also to snack between meals. Let's start with the first meal of the day, breakfast. In Spanish, breakfast is desayuno. Let's break it down. Desayuno. Desayuno. If you wanted to say, I eat breakfast, you would say, yo como desayuno. Our second word is lunch, almuerzo. 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 If you wanted to say, I eat lunch, you would say, yo como almuerzo. Next is afternoon snack, which is merienda. 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 If you wanted to say, I eat an afternoon snack, you would say, yo como una merienda. Our fourth word is dinner, cena. 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 If you wanted to say, I like dinner, you would say, me gusta la cena. Next is to snack between meals, which is picar. 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 If you wanted to say, I like to snack between meals, you would say, me gusta picar entre comidas. Let's review those words. In Spanish, breakfast is desayuno. Lunch is almuerzo. Afternoon snack is merienda. Dinner is cena. And to snack between meals is picar. Now let's test your knowledge. How would you say breakfast in Spanish? Desayuno. How would you say lunch in Spanish? Almuerzo. How would you say afternoon snack in Spanish? If you said merienda, you're right. How about dinner? How would you say dinner in Spanish? Cena. And what's the word for to snack between meals? If you said picar, you're right. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you use these videos to learn Spanish, please be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks.